السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. المؤمنون كجسد واحد نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. أما بعد، قال الله تعالى: كتب عليكم القتال وهو كره لكم وعسى أن تكرهوا شيئا وهو خير لكم وعسى أن تحبوا شيئا وهو شر لكم والله يعلم وأنتم لا تعلمون. قال الله تعالى في مكان آخر: ولا تحسبن الذين قتلوا في سبيل الله أمواتا بل أحياء عند ربهم يرزقون. Today I would like to talk about the present situation in Gaza, a place where a bloody war is going on. Gaza is a small strip of land along to the Mediterranean Sea. It's a place that has been in news for a long time due to a complex and difficult situation. Thousands of small kids, men and women are being killed by Israel. However, Gaza has also faced many challenges. It has been at the center of conflicts and disputes with bloody Israel, which have made the life very hard for the Palestinians. Israel bombarded and destroyed thousands of houses, mosques, hospitals, stopped their food, electricity, and access to medical care. More than 1 million people have been displaced as Israel ordered residents of North Gaza evacuate to the south. The kids are dying of hunger and famine that grows day by day. They don't have access to food, shelter, electricity, and even a drop of water. They have started eating birds and animal food, which is itself lead to the death. Their food and water are being poisoned by Israel forces, and even thing is no one feel pain of these downtrodden kids and women. While the teaching of Islam tell us that al-Muslimuna karajulin wahidin in ishtaka aynuhu ishtaka kulluhu wa in ishtaka ra'suhu ishtaka kulluhu. My brother, this is time to come to battleground of Gaza, stand and fight side by side with our beloved brother. It's important for UN Charter, especially for Muslim ruler, to pay attention what's happening in Gaza. We must remember that the people of Gaza, just like people everywhere, deserve a chance to live in safety with opportunities for education and better life. Let's hope for a time when all people in Gaza and Palestine can live in peace and prosperity. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.